Hello, today I'm going to be making a super simple nude fascinator. All you will need is 5 centimeters of sinamay folded in half, so 10 centimeters wide by 95 centimeters long. So this actually measures, the whole piece measures 95. Then you're going to fold in the edges. So if you're not sure how to cut a piece of sinamay on the bias, then please check out my other videos. Basically it goes against the grain. That's what the bias means. Right, so you're going to take your piece and start with this end. That meets in the middle. Fold your other piece to the middle. So you're going to turn it around so that we've got that edge at the back, maybe a little bit smaller. Need to turn that round. And you're going to tuck that underneath, so all the raw edges are hidden. Now you can put that on a hair clip or a headband. So now I'm going to hand sew that on. I think I prefer it, well, because it's quite light, you can put it on a hair clip or headband, or you could even put it on a pillbox base. That could be your decorations. You could add feathers, of course. The choice is yours. So I hope you like this super simple tutorial, and I'll show you what it looks like on the model now. Thank you for watching.